If you're ready to turn heads and you're confident, stay with me as I show you how to master this sleek straight box braid look. By the end of this video, you will see how this style can transform not just your hair, but your entire vibe. First, let's start with a clean base. Healthy moisturized hair is foundation of any protective style. I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair, and now I'm parting it into neat sections. Each section is slightly coated with a nourishing leave-in conditioner and a touch of hair oil. Yes, to make a polished finish. Now here's the key. Precision for this bulb. The section must be consistent in size. Clean parts. That's what makes a final look sharp and professional. Remember, this is your crown. Take your time. Starting at the nape, we are working row by row using pre-stretched braiding hair. I'm feeding in just enough to create a natural lightweight feel without the bulk. And this style isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Nobody wants braids that tug or feel heavy. This bulb is meant to move effortlessly. As the braid starts taking shape, here is a little reminder. It's okay if you don't get the perfect on the first try. Mastery takes patience. The same way you're weaving these braids together, you're weaving your own story. Learning, growing, improving. Now, notice how each braid falls naturally into place, framing the face just right. I'm trimming as I go, keeping the length even for that flawless blonde bob finish. This is where attention to detail matters most, because when you step out, you want this style to speak for itself. And let's talk about what confidence boosts. Let's talk about that confidence boost. Isn't it amazing how a new hairstyle can make you feel like a brand new version of yourself? But here is the thing, that transformation, it starts with you. It's not just about the braids, it's about the care you're putting into yourself. Every part, every braid is a declaration, I am worth the effort. We're almost there. The last few braids are going in, and I'm sealing the ends I'll seal the ends with hot water for a sleek tapped finish.
You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away?
Take a look. The movement, the precision, the power. This is more than a hairstyle. This is a statement. When you look in the mirror, it's not just about what you see. It's about how you feel. Every braid reminds you of your strength, your creativity, your self-care. Because the truth is, the change you're looking for, it starts with you. So what's stopping you? Take this moment to invest in yourself. Try this style. Step into your power and own it. And when you do, don't forget to share your story. Leave a comment. Let us know how it made you feel. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. You've got this. Now go and show the world the best version of you. Until next time, keep shining.
You said that you've been switching, silencing your mind. Trying to be patient, but running out of time.